Hi ladies! I just made our seedy summer smoothie with phase 2 moon seeds. It's full of mango, banana, greens, fresh mint, lime juice, and of course our moon seeds. It's my favorite way to start the day, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So first we start with our big frozen ingredients. So we do 1 cup of frozen mango, 2 cups of frozen spinach or greens, 1 banana, this can be frozen or fresh, a couple sprigs of mint, half of a lime juice, a dash of Himalayan pink salt, and you're going to put 1 scoop or 2 tablespoons of moon seeds. I'm on phase 2. And last but not least, coconut water. So you're going to do 1 to 2 cups. I usually start with 1 and then see how it blends.